Hi everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Entrepreneur Insights. Today, we're going to talk about a lucrative online business idea that has the potential to change the way people think about eating healthy. Introducing a subscription-based healthy meal kit delivery service. Chapter 1. Problem solving. Eating healthy is a challenge for many people, especially for those who are busy with work or have a demanding lifestyle. From grocery shopping, meal planning, and preparation, it takes a lot of effort to stick to a healthy diet. Our meal kit delivery service aims to solve this problem by providing pre-portioned fresh ingredients and recipes straight to the customer's doorsteps. Chapter 2. Target market. Our target market is anyone who wants to eat healthy but finds it difficult to make it a priority. This includes busy professionals, families with young children, and seniors who may have trouble grocery shopping. By offering healthy meal options that are quick and easy to prepare, we're making healthy eating accessible to everyone. Chapter 3. Unique selling proposition. What sets our meal kit delivery service apart is the quality of our ingredients. We only source the freshest organic produce and meats from local farmers, ensuring that our customers receive the healthiest and tastiest meals possible. Additionally, our recipes are developed by a team of nutritionists and chefs, ensuring that each meal is well balanced and nutritious. Chapter 4. Marketing strategy. To reach our target market, we will be utilizing a multi-channel marketing approach, including social media, influencer marketing, and email marketing. We will also be offering special promotions and discounts for new subscribers to encourage them to try our service. Chapter 5. Operations. To ensure that our meal kit delivery service runs smoothly, we will be using a software platform that automates the ordering and delivery process. This will allow us to quickly respond to customer requests and make changes to our menu as needed. Additionally, we will be partnering with local farmers to ensure that we have a steady supply of fresh organic produce. Chapter 6. Call to action. Are you ready to start your own healthy meal kit delivery service? Visit profitsdigital.com to find digital products that will help you get started. From business plan templates to marketing strategies, we have everything you need to launch your business successfully. Thank you for joining us today on Entrepreneur Insights. We hope that this podcast has inspired you to take the next step towards starting your own healthy meal kit delivery service. Don't forget to visit profitsdigital.com to find digital products that will help you get started.